Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to show you really quickly in this video how we will be logging into Clever. Clever is a program that Hillsborough County will be using that will house all of our apps that the students will be using for the rest of the year, like Canvas, iReady, iExcel, Myon, and a bunch of other features. You will go to Google, you will type in Clever. You click on the first link. You will log in as a student. Then you will scroll down and click on the log in with Active Directory. Then this is where you will be typing in your student's username and password. And you will be signing in as a student, so you will not be getting this question. And after it loads, this is what your home screen would pretty much look like. The teacher version and the student version is slightly different, but hopefully this will help you. This is where all of our apps are, and all you have to do is click on any of them and it will bring you to that app.